बिन जबल एक हसी दर्स।
Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Qadir and I am Ali. We are from Madarsat Muaaz Bin Jabal. We have done our quality course last year and we are going to start our 9th class next year. Just look at here. We have started the constructional work of Madrasatul Banat at Rumi Academy and we are going to construct underground from Madrasatul Banat hip section. And to first and second floor we will construct for a school. Where girls can learn contemporary education with an Islamic environment with quality education. And to third floor we will construct Madrasatul Banat for Dars and Nizami. This building will have the capacity of 3,000 students. Girls are nation builders. If you give them quality learning, you will get the result in our new generation. All this learning and education happens in an environment with our cultural, character and religious values, something in every parent longs for today. And to help fund this unique education forever and ever by the will of Almighty Allah, we propose you to support us in this prosperous need. Collaborate with your donation and charity. Estimated cost of the construction is about 200 million. We require 20,000 bricks for this prosperous need. And you can serve your dedication by giving bricks as well. Yeah, we shall together educate our nation builders.
गुफ्तार में अपने किरदार में
दीन तबलीग को यूं फैलाते रहो।